you're not a failure. So, hindi ka nag-fail kasi sa tingin mo, hindi mo ginawa yung lahat. I just think na hindi yun para sa'yo kasi hindi mo pa siya gusto. You didn't desire it really, really well. Kasi kung gusto mo isang bagay at you wanna make sure you'll be successful at it, you put your full attention, your full focus, your full heart, your mind, your soul into it. And if you did that and you still fail, I think it's okay. You just have to move on. Kasi, sabi nga, kung talagang para sa'yo, uukol, bubukol. Have a good day.